ecoFinish. I am having my ecoFinish color fade dramatically after 4 years. The finish is actually coming off on our pool brushes and our Polaris cleaner robot. What are my options?
I guess question number one would be, how old is this finish? Because in the early days of ecoFinish...
Well, the ecoFinish is dramatically after 4 years.
Okay, so it means it was installed 4 years ago?
I think
or
so.
they've noticed the change over the last 4 years?
I don't know.
Okay, so to answer that, if the surface is more than 4 years old, 5, 6, 7, 10 years old, depending on what it is, ecoFinish went through a lot of changes with their formula to get it right. And if it's one of the earlier ecoFinish surfaces, that could be the issue. If this is a surface that's only 4 years old and it's coming off, that's to me indicating that something in the installation, you had some ghosting and some phantoming of the surface itself, that between layers, the third layer didn't stick to the second layer didn't stick really well to the first layer. Really the only way at this point to salvage it would be to have someone who does ecoFinish come out and acetone, clean the surface, and resurface it would be the best thing to do. And as long as they get all of that old chalking off, you're going to have a pretty good surface. But those earlier surfaces tended to deteriorate over time, but the latest surfaces have been pretty good.